Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss regarding Accenture recruitment process. Right. So before starting for recruitment, okay, first we need to do registration, and the things which is required before the registration is you need a passport size photo, digital copy, and scan copy of your PAN card and latest updated resume. Make sure the things what you kept in the resume is latest one, and okay, check this regarding spelling mistakes twice and thrice, because once you upload, no, later you cannot edit. There are some company portals where you can edit the resume later before interview also, but here there is no chance. Once you uploaded, you cannot edit it, right? And how to do the registration process, this link already there, okay, where you can go through it. And for on campus, if it is off campus, no, they'll send you, okay, assessment slots. So once you do registration after 1 week or 2 weeks, depends on the recruitment date. Before recruitment date, 3 4 days before, they'll send you the mails regarding assessment slots, slot booking. If it is on campus, it's not required. College will share which slot which students should take, like the daily 3 slots will be there. They'll send the data. If it is off campus, no, you will receive assessment slot booking mail, and you need to select whether it is morning 10 a.m. slot or afternoon 2 p.m. slot or evening 7 p.m. slot. Okay, as per your availability and different factors, right? Okay, and everyone will receive, okay, after the slot booking, no, you will receive mock assessment test. So it will make sure, it will check your whether your system is working properly or not, and your hardware, software, everything is good or not. It's a 20 minutes mock or practice test. You people will get aware of how the software will be, right? Okay, how maybe that platform, how can you attempt the question? Okay, maybe how to run the program, coding round. Okay, all those stuff you can try. But this is the recruitment main first test. This is all regarding registration, slot booking, mock assessment. Sir, is this process correct or not? Some people may have a doubt. That's what I am checking. I'm opening the official, okay, Accenture link itself. This is indiacampusaccenture.com/myzone/Accenture/one dash support, right? So I'm opening that link. Okay, in this link, right? Okay, here we have a pre-placement connect. If you want to know in pre-placement talk what will be discussed, the video is already there. Pre-placement connect video is already there. You can watch it and learn what is the requirements and all, right? And regarding registration process, they clearly mentioned digital copy, passport size photo, scanned PAN card, the same details I kept there, right? And latest copy of resume, all these things. And yeah, you will get a mail to register. So you have to register very carefully, because you are not able to change. You will not be allowed to change the details further. So that's what you have to take care. Utmost care is required. Mail ID, everything you need to be careful. Phone number, mail ID, your data, everything double cross check before submitting the things, right? So the and your registration details will be considered to determine your eligibility and all. If you got eligible, then you'll get an admit card for attending the drive. Okay, this is there in the Accenture portal only. Fine. And one alert I need to make sure everybody here is passport size photo, PAN card photo. That things you need to be very much careful. Yeah, here this photo, this is passport size photo, which is right one. Background, all this not okay. This is the only thing which is okay. As you have enough time, no, you people try to apply now for PAN card. If you don't have, if you have already PAN card, give the latest photo, the passport soft copy, what you have, and the photo in the PAN card. Here you can observe the photo in PAN card and this one both are same. You keep it in same, then okay, A which is scanning that. Okay, once you during the registration process, no, it will scan for your 10 characters PAN card ID, and the photo, is it matching or not. If it is not matching, then there is an issue regarding registration process will come. We'll suggest you people, as you have enough time, okay, go through this passport photo, and here PAN card photo, latest photo you keep, not old one. Both should be same, and latest one, right? Next thing, yeah. So mock test, then followed by, okay, you selected the date, right, for the exam. So on the day, same day, we have two assessments. assessment 1 and assessment 2. This both rounds will be on the same day. You selected some slot, let's say 2 p.m. slot you selected on so and so day. If it is for off campus, for on campus, college will assign so and so timings for so and so students, right? Suppose you have some slot around 2 o'clock. On the same 2 o'clock slot, okay, first round you will start it will be with these 6 sections where you have 90 questions, 90 minutes, that you can break down into two things: cognitive assessment, technical assessment. Cognitive assessment 50 questions, it's about reasoning purely, there is no quant actually, little bit required for data sufficiency concept, otherwise there is no quant, I can literally say. English 17 questions verbal, critical reasoning, abstract reasoning, C and R, CT and AR we call generally, 18 questions and 15 questions, 30 totally in this cognitive. Technical assessment 40 questions which require MS Office related stuff, pseudocodes, network security and cloud computing related, 10 questions. So total 90 questions, 90 minutes time. And okay, see, if you are, you have to, you can move from one question to other question, you can start with any section, yeah, that is allowed here. Okay, I can say that navigation is allowed, navigation allowed, whether it is between sections or we can say it's navigation between sections and questions also. You can straightforward start with abstract reasoning, you can straightforward start with pseudocodes, navigation allowed, you can move from one question to other question, there is no problems related to that. If you cleared round one, this is round one or assessment one, then only round two will be enabled. In between round one and round two, okay, timer after round one, no, if you submit the exam, 90 questions, 90 minutes you attempted, or maybe after 70 minutes you are done with all questions, you submit, a timer will run for 3 to 5 minutes. That also you can see here. They mention that in the portal as well. Yeah, regarding registration assessment, right? We are discussing regarding assessment. Yeah, we are getting assessment slot booking, then mock test 20 minutes, okay, and first round 90 questions, 50 and 40 split. Now here, see this, the cutoff, yeah, after the result will be notified within 5 to 10 minutes. Once you submit it will take around 5 to 10 minutes to give the result. If you cleared, then only next round will be open, which is coding related. If you not clear there itself, you will get thanks for attending the test. If you cleared, congratulations, you are moved to the next round, like that, you will get the message on screen there itself, right? And there is section wise and subsection wise cutoff also. You need to focus on all the sections, right? Now after this, you must and should participate in coding test, right? If you not cleared, you can leave. If you fail to clear that, do not clear the first round, this assessment one, then you can clear, you can move. Okay. Once you clear this assessment one, then you people are allowed to go for assessment two. In assessment two, you have two questions, 45 minutes. Coding round is the assessment two, where you have two questions and 45 minutes, and you can write programming in C, C++, Java, Python, C hash, all this. This is also they mention clearly in the portal. You can see 45 minutes, two questions are there. You can use any of these languages to run the program. By default, C is there. Okay, if you want to move for any other language, you need to select from the drop down, right? And third one, this is not on the same day. These two rounds will be on the day one. Okay, then you will get 2 to 3 days gap. After that, you people will get communication round related mail. They'll give 48 hours time. In that 48 hours time, you need to complete this. Around the exam will take roughly around 30 minutes. It will take approximately 30 minutes to complete this. Approximately 30 minutes is there. This communication round, they want to check your sentence mastery, vocabulary, fluency, pronunciation, literally to say LSRW, listening, speaking, reading, writing, they want to check in that. And the environment you required is like this: you need a room where there is no disturbance, no noise, okay, no one else should present in the room, and make sure your phone is on silent mode, and okay, clear visible camera required, and you have enough lighting on your face you need to maintain. And what type of things is there, I have shared you the link here. You can use those resources later to learn those skills. Okay. Next one is regarding virtual. If you suppose done with the communication round, right, then you will get interview. This will take around 5 days to 10 days also after communication round. Okay, and how to join the interview? This is virtual interview only. No need of physical presence. We can attempt. You can attend from any place where you require good internet, and like this only you can enough light on the face. Like these conditions again you can apply for this. Okay, so how to join the interview and previous questions related interview all I kept in this YouTube link. Okay, and here communication and also how it will appear everything I kept in this YouTube link actually. Fine. So next thing, the syllabus, okay, which you need to focus in each sections. Let's say first round, 90 questions, 90 minutes, right? So where you have verbal ability, syllabus will be like this. Okay, the topics to be focused for 17 questions. For critical reasoning, these are the topics you need to focus and the related resources. As I am quantum reasoning faculty, I prepared the videos already. Okay, each topic, what is the videos, resources you need to learn is available. And critical reasoning 18 questions, abstract reasoning 15 questions. Again, okay, geo studio challenge, different things. Okay, the resources related to that. And this is different platforms they'll conduct the exam. So what are the previous questions related to those different platforms also kept. And latest updates you can find in my Telegram group, which I mentioned here. And pseudocode 18 questions. This is also okay. I am EC background. I am from electronics and communication background. So in my own way, I given you okay how to attempt the pseudocodes. What is the basics required? Everything is discussed in these videos as well. And there is one round called common applications in MS Office, especially regarding shortcuts. They're asking questions regarding MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, and common applications. They're asking questions, 12 questions, right? Those are all basics. I suggest you people to first minimum you see. Suppose they'll ask you, okay, you got this type of screen. Okay, while clicking which one you got this screen, where is that screen, that they'll ask you. Okay, suppose you want to develop a diagram. Okay, it will be available in insert button or data button or which button, that those type of questions they'll ask. They'll give some picture, this picture will come under which tab. Okay, what is the shortcut for this, so on so thing. If you want to print, what is the shortcut? If you want to close the window, what is the shortcut? If you want to open the new spreadsheet, what is the shortcut related to MS Word, MS Excel, PowerPoint, all those they'll ask. Okay, and network security and cloud computing related 10 questions. This is the syllabus you need to focus. Those who prepared for Cisco, no, they have a good advantage. Cisco networking, okay, in third year, though they'll get an advantage in this round as well. And coding, okay, so few questions also explained here in the videos, right? So this is the outline. I hope you understand the recruitment process. You can find each round is elimination round as well. Okay, don't ignore communication round. This time they're considering communication round also very seriously. You need to work on it. Right. Any issues regarding registration or maybe during the process, no, you can see this. They given clear data assessment. There is any issues. Okay, interview. If there is any issue, what is the things glitches you can find out. And okay, common technical issues after you selected for the company while uploading the documents. What's the issues you have? Okay, how to clear those things. Okay, and candidate ID details, semester marks, how to do. Okay, if you are previously working in any other company, how to clear those things. Every detail they given here. Offer letter issues if you have, joining date issues if you have, accommodation. See, once you got joining, no, they'll give around 15 days accommodation. What are the location you people get? They are taking care about that entire payment for the 50 days also they are doing. So after joining, what is about training related stuff, everything they're given here. This is the Accenture support portal. You can get all details in this portal. Okay, so this I'll attach in the video description as well. You can go through it. Fine.